Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is disabled. To enable it, tap on the same no gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!